Now if you look at the step 2 of the design, is that every single learner will get 2 of these grid pages, and this is where you're going to do your actual freehand drawings, which will become part of the PAT. The grid page allows you to have some sort of proportion. That's why we have the grid lines on there, and you must understand how the grid works. And I just want to write it here very importantly, that one block now equals 1 meter. So for every block that you have is 1 meter. So if you go back to your original line design and you perhaps want to convert this line design over to this actual scale of 1:100, you will have one block as 1 meter. So this is 15 and 25. So just keep that in mind. So I'm going to start basically over there. That's my starting point. I'm going to go up 15 blocks because it's 15 meters. So I'm going to go 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So that's my 15. Of course, it's better if you draw it rather faint first, so if there are any mistakes you can just erase it easily. So 15, and then I'm going to go 25, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Now it's easy for me just to get the other part in. So there's my, this allows me also to draw nice and straight line freehand. So there. Okay. So then of course it's very important, your thickness of your outside wall is going to be 3 millimeters. So you can gauge that would be about 3 millimeters there. So you can draw your outside wall nice and 3 millimeters parallel to the wall that you have, the wall outside which you already have, which is like that. Now you did say that your stage area is going to be 5 meters, so you're going to count here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you are going to draw a line right here. That's your stage section. And then you're going to have, maybe you want to make your stage a little bit bigger, so you're going to make that 3 meters and 3 meters storage, and because that's 3 and 3, this is going to be 9 meters to give you the 15. So you can have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 meters, so that's going to be your line there, and 1, 2, 3, that's 1, 2, 3, that's going to be your line there, and this is going to be your stage area. Then of course your inside wall will probably be thinner, which is like almost a millimeter. So I'm going to draw a millimeter, and this is also going to be an inside wall. So you're going to keep that nice and thin with a sharp pencil. Okay, just allow the flow. Okay, so you will erase some of the lines to make a way for probably windows and doors, but for now it's all faint. And then remember, you want to have the kitchen area and the foyer, so it's going to be, the kitchen area is going to be 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so that's going to be your kitchen area, and 5 up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here, so that is going to be your kitchen section there. And like I said, you can draw a line which is basically a millimeter in thickness for your inside walls. And then you want to have a meter, and you want to have 8 meters here. You're also going to have 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there's your 5, but you want to have a meter for every component of your of your bathroom. So you're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's going to be 8, and 5 is going to be there. Right? It's going to be 5, and this becomes your main section here. Here, this 2 meters here is going to be your section for the, I would say, the foyer of the bathroom, and you're going to divide your bathroom into half like that. Okay, so now you can just add on the outside your 1 millimeter thickness for your wall like that there. Either side your 1 millimeter there, and you're going to have probably a millimeter there for a partitioning wall there. Then of course here you can have single lines basically. That's going to be your bathrooms. So those are your bathroom sections. That's going to be your shower. That's going to be your shower sections over there. And that's going to be your toilet area over there. So that's going to be your shower. And that's going to be your toilet sections over there. If I might just show you how to draw that. These are cubicles, so it's partitioning, so it can be just a single line over there. These are inside walls, that's an inside wall divider. This could also be just a single line here, that's a partitioning there as well. Each one of these will have a door, so you will have that as a door there, and this door will be like that, and the door is like a swing of one block like that. So we can make this door like that and the other door like that. So that's a swing of a door, swing of a door, swing of a door like that. Okay, maybe you could have put this line on the outside to create that full block that you have there. Okay. Then of course you're going to have a door over there as well for the opening here, and you're going to have a door as an opening there as well. Right? Please do it neatly. You can do it with your circle template, and then just go over it freehand. So these are going to be your door openings for your entrance to the hall. So you might want to have a door opening like that and a door opening like that, and there could be maybe this and maybe another door like that, another door, 2 doors, or you can swap it around, doesn't matter. You will have a door opening here for the kitchen. Your door opening might be here for the dressing and storage, right? And this is your stage over there. So this is your main area, and that's how you design your windows. Of course, you're going to have your windows in those little sections here. Those are high windows. Wherever you feel the need to put windows there. Okay, and your stage, you could just perhaps have your stage steps, 3 steps that you might want to squeeze in the I would say 300 to 200 millimeter steps for people to get onto the stage. Okay, and then of course very importantly, you can color this in your walls in red, which I want you to do instead of hatching. Everywhere there's going to be walls, you must color that in, not over doors and windows, very neatly. Then you're also going to print for me neatly, either with a stencil. You're going to print there number 1, and you're going to write a legend here of what the individual components are. So number 1 is going to be the main hall, You're going to print the main hall neatly. You might want to have number 2 there, and you're going to write number 2 here as the kitchen area, like that. And so you're going to carry on with number 3, which is the stage, neatly printed, right? And then here you're going to have design 1, as you design 1, and you're going to finish it off with putting in the area. So area calculation equals to length times breadth, and in your case you're going to have area equals 25 meters times 15, and area is going to give you 375, which basically means that you are still within the 400 square meters that you need to work in. You may be inside but not exceed the 400 square meters. So that's how you're going to do your designs. The doors can swing any way, but it takes up 1 block basically. And these are merely designs that we are working on. Okay, and so you can carry on with the same type of setup in design number 2 on your second grid page. Okay, I hope that clears up the designs. Just one more thing that I've forgotten to put in is that you are going to put in your dimensions here as well. So you're going to draw a line here and just cut it off like that, and do a little 45, and you're going to say that that is going to be on top of the line, that's going to be 25,000, which is 25 meters. And you're going to do the same thing here along this side. It's 2 blocks away, or 3 blocks, doesn't matter. So you're going to do that there, and just cut it off like that there, and do your 45s. And then on the side you're going to say that this is actually printed there 15,000, which is 15 meters. So that's very important. If you want to put in the individual ones as well, maybe you want to put in the individual ones, and I'll show you quickly how to work that one. So that will indicate that's 5 meters. There you will have an indication that that is 8,000 here, and this is 5,000 there, and so on. You can put whatever the difference is between 18.5, 13 and 25. And even this side as well, if you feel that you need to put in the different dimensions here, of that there, maybe the 3,000 we can put in here. 3,000 refers to that over there, and the 3,000 refers to that over there, and then also an additional 5,000 if you work it out from there to there. So you can put in all your dimensions if it needs to be, but these 2 are the most important ones. So I hope that clears up, and at the end of the day your drawing is going to look similarly and more busy as to the ones that I have on my page here. Okay, that would be design 1 and design 2.